welcome to Monica Monet Collection. If this is your first time watching, welcome. If you are a returning family member, thank you so much for continuing to watch me and support my channel. Okay, this is my very first Mother's Day tablescape. Yay! I would like to thank all the beautiful, creative, wonderful, extraordinary ladies that decided to participate in this tablescape. I especially like to thank my co-host, Miss Pam, over at Diamond 76 Home Decor on a Budget. You have to go check each and every one of these ladies' channels out. Okay, they do beautiful work. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. It is your day. Enjoy. Now I'm going to show you my glamorous tablescape. You ready? I'm trying to decide on which one I'm going to use for my table cover. The pink, the light gray, or the cloth, the dark gray. You will see which one I decided on. Okay, you have a choice on utensils. You can either use the silver ones or you can use some colorful ones. Whatever color that your tablescape is in, you can use that color utensils. So you can use either the pink or the silver or both, a combination of both. Okay, when I do my tablescape, I'm gonna need 6 plates. So I bought 2 of these diner plates from the Dollar Tree. They have 4 plates in each one. Bought 1 set of salad plates because it comes 6 to 1 package. Okay. I'm gonna first start with the letters M-O-M that spells out mom. M, magnificent. O, overcomer. The other M, marvelous. Put at the bottom what M-O-M stands for. That describes you. Now everything on this table are DIYs. Please go and watch each one of these DIYs that I've done. But first I'm going to start with the chargers. These chargers were so easy to make. Everything came from the Dollar Tree except the bling that is on the table napkins. Charger number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And you see here I changed out the utensil to some pink ones. They are just as pretty as the silver ones. And I took the bling off, and they're gorgeous that way also. Charger number 5. And charger number 6. Here's a DIY that I did. I put diamond wrap around the vase. Okay, then I put a little bling that I got from Michael's, and then I put some flowers on there where I got this from Michael's also. So inexpensive, and it has a tea light candle inside it. the 12th, there will be a drawing, and I will be showing you what you will be getting.